Today we are going to read Phonic Reader with the help of phonics. Okay, let's start reading this page. It is a fat dog. It is a fat dog. It is a hot pan. It is a hot pan. A bag in a cot. A bag in a cot. The fan with a rod. The fan with a rod. A man sat on a log. A man sat on a log. The hot pan in the van. The hot pan in the van. My bat is on the log. My bat is on the log. My hat is in the cot. My hat is in the cot. Okay, students, after reading this page, now your assignment is this, that you have to write the spellings of the given pictures.